go back into our K-Cam program, and it's as simple as, because it's paused at the moment, just hit play, and away we go. We're travelling at 500 millimetres per minute at the moment. The spindle speed's up about 8 to 10,000. I'm unsure. I don't have an RPM meter on it. Just a bit of a guesstimation. And here we have it, the finished product. All these parts were cut out, manufactured on my little CNC 3040 Chinese router. It's a brilliant little machine. Okay, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.